One thing about me, rushing or not, I'm gonna make sure I have my nose contour on. Sorry, I'm not leaving the house without my nose contour. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Heavy on the subscribe because I know you guys forget, so subscribe please. Today's video is gonna be a video on a minimalist makeup look that I have for you guys. This is gonna be perfect for my girls who are busy, my busy moms, my college students, and even my working girls. Trust me, I understand the hassle of trying to get ready in the morning and not having enough time. You're trying to balance between doing a full beats and literally trying to make it for the trains. We're gonna do a quick and effective makeup look that is minimal, but still giving you that oomph, okay? Period. And also using minimal products as well. But before we dive right into it, I wanna give a huge thank you to Merit Beauty for collaborating with me on this video. Merit Beauty is a minimalist beauty brand known for their holistic approach to creating clean and safe products for our body and skin while holding a responsibility to be kind to our planet with their vegan and cruelty-free products along with sustainable shipping packaging. Merit has taken that extra step in providing quality luxury skincare by eradicating over 1,000 harmful ingredients and replacing them with skin-loving nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. If you are looking for clean, quality makeup, Merit is your go-to. All links to products will be in the description bar below. Thank you again to Merit Beauty. Before we hop right into it, I do want to make it really clear that you don't need a lot of products in order to achieve a really nice, minimal, beautiful, fresh, clean look. I think the basis for any great makeup look, whether you're doing a full beat or a minimalist look like we're gonna do today, your skincare has to be on point. If you guys are interested in finding out some really great skincare products, I will link my skincare video up above in the cards and down below in the description box for you guys. Using products that have a lot of fragrances in it, you guys would have already known if you watched that video, they're not for me. I noticed that my skin is extremely sensitive, and the reason why I do like Merit Beauty is because they actually do have fragrance-free products. Their makeup is fragrance-free, and not only that, it's compiled with vitamins and antioxidants in it to really replenish our skin and to kind of work with our skincare as well. Let's go ahead and hop straight into this look. I'm really excited about it. So I have my little makeup bag right here. If you guys order from Merit Beauty, your first order comes with this complimentary makeup bag, and honestly, I think I might use this as a purse. Like, it's definitely giving those vibes. But it's so cute. You can wash this if it gets dirty, which a lot of makeup bags don't give you that option to do so. So I love that this is reusable, and I will be getting my fair use out of it. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is my brows. I've already done my skincare, that's complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I am gonna be using this Bare Minerals Lasting Line. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeliner, but I use it as a brow pencil. It works so well. So I'm gonna go ahead and sparsely fill in my brows. Nothing too crazy, just a few strokes. So now that my eyebrows are filled in to the way that I like them, nice and feathery, I'm gonna go ahead and use this volumizing pomade from Merit. It is in the shade Black Brown, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this super classy, luxurious packaging. I love this. Even the packaging is kind of minimal, or minimalist rather. It's so nice. Kind of looks like a mascara, but for your brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my eyebrows. And I will say I'm not really a brow gel, a brow pomade kind of girl. I'm really loyal to my pencil, but I'm excited about this. Let's see how it does. You guys see? Looks really good. I love how it's giving my brows like a feathery look. I have really long eyebrow hairs, you guys, so I'm trying to keep it a little bit tamed, but also just like keep them in place the way that I want it to, and I really love how this feels on my brows. So the first step in our minimalist makeup is done, our brows are done, and I'm not gonna go ahead and conceal my brows because I do wanna keep this just like a nice, clean, and simple look. Remember, we are working to be efficient and be very quick in the morning time because you want that train to leave you, you want that bus to leave you. Do you wanna be late to your Zoom meeting? No, so let's just keep it moving. So I was sent 2 foundations. So I have Cacao here and I also have Chestnut. So the second step is going to be concealing. So this is definitely a foundation slash concealer, but you guys can use what you do have at home. We're just gonna be going over and concealing any spots or imperfections on your face that you don't like, that you wanna cover up and that you don't want to be seen. Trust me, I get it, girl. So any hyperpigmentation, acne scars, dark marks on your face, you're gonna wanna conceal those areas. And this is how it's looking. This is Chestnut, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put this under my eyes and anywhere else that I do wanna conceal. I will say that this is a tad bit dark, but it's completely fine because I do have a tan, so it's gonna all work and come together. But I will say that this goes on very, very, very smooth. Like, this is super creamy and it goes on very smooth, so let's see how it blends out now. Also, if you don't have a brush, I think we neglect the fact that our fingers are like the best makeup tool possible out there. I use my fingers a lot to blend different things out, especially when I'm going for a minimalist look. I find that like it just works a lot better and it blends in like, and it looks like my skin. So that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know why that was so hard to say. So Merit actually sent this buffing brush over to me too. Yes, I used it, girl. I could not wait, honey. I definitely used this brush already, but it is so smooth and it's kind of like compact. So I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Again, you're gonna wanna focus on the areas that you want to conceal. And I'm also just gonna blend that out to the rest of my face. One thing that I will say about this foundation slash concealer is that it is extremely blendable. And I really, really appreciate that. It is super, super light coverage, but it's definitely buildable. And I kind of just spread it out all over my face because I did kind of put a little bit too much. So that is an option, but if you are working with a lighter concealer, try to keep it in the areas that you want to conceal. But this took all of like, what, 30 seconds for me to swipe across my face, and it blends quickly and very well, if I do say so myself. This is optional, but a lot of you guys know that I am a bronzy girl. I love like contour, bronzer, and so I'm gonna be taking the darker foundation in the shade Cacao, and I'm gonna be putting that in places where I would just contour. So this is what it looks like. It's a darker shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here, here, and a little bit on my nose. Because one thing about me, rushing or not, I'm gonna make sure I have my nose contour on. Sorry, I'm not leaving the house without my nose contour. And I'm gonna take that same brush, and even like you can just use your fingers, but I'm gonna take that same brush and blend it out. And I just want you guys to see how easy this is to blend. Like, what? Where did she go? Late or not, this nose gotta be contoured. Okay, so now that I have all of that done, I'm gonna go ahead and that took about 20 more seconds. So we're running on great timing, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this cheek color. This is a blush, but it's a cream blush, which I'm so excited to use. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the apples of my cheeks. You guys can use a regular blush if you'd like. If you do have a cream blush, even better. Something about me and creams, like I just love cream products. I think it's because I do have dry skin, but also I feel like it definitely gives you this youthful look. So this is in Mood. This is the cheek color that I'm working with today. Mood. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of go ham with this on my cheeks because I love blush so much. And I forgot what someone said. I don't know where I heard this from, but they were basically just saying that blush is the first piece of, or the first product, the first makeup product that actually like goes away on your face. I know I look crazy. One second. It definitely like disappears on your face first. So I'm just gonna use my finger and kind of blend it in, my ring finger. Ooh, I just love me some blush. Also, I do put a little bit on my nose, but do you guys see that glow? Like, who is she? I didn't even put any highlight on, nothing, honey. That is the cream products giving what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'll just put a little bit. Cute. Okay, I'm done. Enough with the blush now. Moving on, that is out of the way. All of my base products are on my face, and you guys might be thinking, is she gonna use like a setting powder or something? Personally, I am not. That is just an extra step, and I really don't feel like doing that. Also, I really find that I don't need it. I don't have a lot of makeup on my face. I know I just went ham with the blush, but I really don't have a lot of makeup on my face. So I don't find it necessary. I also do have pretty dry skin, so I love that moisture that I get from my products that I use, especially my makeup products. And also I want my skin to look like skin. That is the whole point of this right now. This minimalist look is to duplicate and replicate skin. So that is what I'm doing, and I will not be using powder. Let's move on to these lashes. I'm gonna be using this lengthening mascara from Merit as well. And I just really have to say that this packaging is A1. Like, this is me in a mascara right here. I love the golds and I love the black. It's so luxurious, and honestly, I think that Merit does a really great job at that. They have this whole thing going on where they understand that luxury can be sustainable. It can be good for our planet. It doesn't have to be anything that's like harmful to us, harmful to our skin, and different things like that. So big ups to Merit for that. I really do appreciate them. Do you guys see those lashes? I know you see those lashes. I love it. So far, we've done our concealer slash foundation kind of base. We've done a little bit of like some bronzing. Then we've done some blush, brows, and also some lashes. The last thing that I'm gonna do is gonna be my lips. So I'm so excited to be using this lip oil. This is actually a tinted lip oil, and I'm all for anything oils, anything moisturizing. You guys know me by now. So I'm really excited for this, and this is in the shade Au Naturel. This is what it looks like. So pretty, again, with the luxury. So I just put a little bit, and she's actually very, very pigmented, but I'm gonna keep it like this because I don't have, not my light dying. Okay, so my lighting definitely changed because my light died, so I'm using my ring light right now. But this is the finished look. This is the finished product. This is a minimalist look. This literally probably took me around would take me about 5 minutes if I wasn't talking. All we did was some brows, a little bit of concealer, some bronzing, some blush, some lips right here, and then we also did some mascara, and that's just all you need. If you guys can incorporate this in your mornings before you have a busy day, I almost like guarantee that you will literally feel so much better about yourself, and it just really sets the tone for the day. So if you can squeeze in a 5-minute makeup routine that is minimalist, still works for you, gives you the beauty that you're looking for, the glow that you're looking for, definitely do it. My motto this summer is less is more, because it is so hot outside, and I honestly think that this is just enough during the daytime to make me feel confident. So it's definitely giving me summertime fine, and I absolutely love it. Thank you again, Merit, for working with me on this video, and I really hope that you guys learned something in this video. Trust me, take it from me, you don't need a lot of products to achieve a really nice, simple, beautiful look and glow. So I hope you guys take these tips and tricks into consideration, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like content like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I'm not playing with you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.